In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Play apps on your PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So to be able to download Google Play apps on your PC, what you can do is, first of all, I'm on Google Play now, and then if you click on apps, what you'll get is all the apps that are available on the Google Play Store. So if I go ahead and click on, let's say, Disney Plus here, what you'll get is you'll get this, and then if I click on install, what that will do is it will bring up my mobile phones, and all you can do on the Google Play Store from your PC is install apps to your mobile phone, as you can see here. So if you are wanting to download Google Play apps on your PC, what you can do is you can shut down Google Play, and what you want to do is come to your search bar on your PC and simply search for Microsoft Store and click on this little option here, and then what that will do is it will bring up this page here. And then from here, what you can do is simply go ahead and scroll down, or you can click on best entertainment apps, which are these here, or you can scroll down until you see top 3 apps, and you can click on show all to show all the available apps on the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, there's a lot of apps here to choose from, which are all available on the Google Play Store. So you can scroll down and you can have a look around if you want to do that. So for example, if I wanted to download Netflix, what I would do is I would click on Netflix, and then you'll get this little option here, and as you can see, there's an option to click on get, and what that will do is it will start the download process. So as you can see, it's available on PC to download. So if this video did help you guys, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.